So let's learn about the histopathology of Mucoepidermoid Carcinoma. As this is a malignant tumor, so it lacked true capsule. It contained three dominant cell types: 1. Mucus cells, 2. Epidermoid cell, 3. Intermediate cell. The cells are arranged in nest and diffuse sheets that may surround the cystic spaces. Here you can see the cystic spaces contain mucin that are separated by fibrous stroma. The lining of cystic spaces is by mucus-producing goblet cells and ductal cells. On the basis of histopathology, it is subcategorized into following grades: 1. Low grade, 2. Intermediate grade, 3. High grade. Low-grade tumor has multiple cystic spaces, whereas high-grade tumor contain more solid island. Low-grade tumor contain high proportion of goblet mucus-secreting cells and few nest of squamous cells, whereas high-grade tumor contain fewer mucus-secreting cells and a high proportion of stratified squamous epithelial cells. Let's have an overview to individual cells. Mucus cells. These cells contain abundant of cytoplasm with nucleus moved towards the peripheral side. These are squamous cells. Intermediate cells, that are polygonal in shape but have no true squamous differentiation. Clear cells. They are called clear cells because they have clear cytoplasm. That's all about the histopathology of Mucoepidermoid carcinoma. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe.